Article 2, Your Honor,
All
she
right,
will testify under paragraph 2.3 of the verified complaint, Your Honor.
Right.
With the kind permission of the Honorable Court, I heard the statement qualify the witness. Are we made to believe that the witness is an expert witness? Or he is being presented only as an ordinary witness? Because if he is merely an ordinary witness, no need to qualify him.
No, the
It's
qualification.
elementary.
No, Your Honor. The qualification is as to the name,
Only with
personal
respect
circumstances of the witness.
Then-
Only
Personal
with respect to the
circumstances,
personal
not
circumstances. That's a very technical matter.
Because there are a lot of people witnessing this, law students, law professors in your own. And we wanted to put the record clearly and succinctly, Your Honor.
So let the witness now proceed to
As an
answer
ordinary
questions.
witness, Your
As
Honor.
an ordinary witness.
Thank you,
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor.
Thank you, Your Honors. Again, Your Honor, we are offering the testimony of witness for the following purposes. Number one, she will produce, identify, and testify on the documents she brought pursuant to the subpoena issued by this honorable court in connection with the purchase of Honorable Chief Justice Renato Corona and Mrs. Cristina R. Corona of Unit 31B with one parking slot located at the Columns, Ayala Avenue in Makati City. Number two, she will testify that in her capacity as the authorized signatory of Community Innovations, Inc., she signed the contract to sell dated January 2004 and deed of absolute sale dated October 1, 2004, covering the subject condominium unit, Your Honor.
Proceed.
She will also testify, Your Honor, that Honorable Chief Justice Renato Corona and Mrs. Corona had already paid 95% of the purchase price as of December 31, 2003, but the same was not declared in his statement of assets and liabilities as of December 31, 2003, Your Honor. She will also testify, Your Honor, that on March 2004, the deed of absolute sale was executed between Community Innovations, Inc. and Chief Justice Renato Corona and Mrs. Corona, but again, as of December 31, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, and 2009, this property was not declared in the Statement of Assets and Liabilities and Net Worth of the Honorable Chief Justice Renato Corona. May I proceed, Your Honor?
Proceed.
Madam Witness, you said that you are presently employed as an Assistant Vice President of Ayala Land, Inc.
Yes,
Since
sir.
when have you been employed with Ayala Land, Inc., Madam Witness?
I have been with Ayala Land, Inc. since 1992, sir.
Would it be correct to say then, Madam Witness, that you have been an employee of Ayala Land, Inc. for 20 years, more or less?
Yes, sir.
Madam Witness, if you could still recall, what was your position at Ayala Land, Inc. in 2004?
In 2004, sir, I was a project development manager.
What were your duties and responsibilities as Project Development Manager of Ayala Land, Inc. in 2004, Madam Witness?
As project development manager, I was tasked, or I was assigned to manage and oversee the development of projects that were assigned to me. At that time, in 2004, I was assigned to Community Innovations, Inc. In addition, in Community Innovations, Inc., I was also assigned to be an authorized signatory of sales contracts involving residential units of Community Innovations.
Thank you, Madam Witness. You mentioned a company by the name Community Innovations, Inc. What is the relation of Community Innovations, Inc. with Ayala Land, Inc., if you know, Madam Witness?
Community Innovations, Inc. is a 100% owned company of Ayala Land, Inc.
Madam Witness, why did you appear in today's hearing of the Honorable Impeachment Court?
I am here, sir, because I received a subpoena from this Honorable Impeachment Court.
In the subpoena issued by the Honorable Court, Madam Witness, one of the documents you were required to bring is the original of the contract to sell or deed of conditional sale in connection with the purchase of the condominium unit covered by Condominium Certificate of Title number 85716 in the name of Cristina R. Corona, married to Renato C. Corona. Question, Madam Witness, is what document did you bring, if any, in connection with the said directive of the Honorable Court?
I brought the original copy of the contract to sell dated January 20, 2004.
May I approach the witness, Your Honor?
Proceed.
We would like to manifest for the record, Your Honor, that the witness handed to this representation the original of the contract to sell, dated January 20, 2004, entered into by and between Community Innovations, Inc., Christina R. Corona. The project involved, Your Honor, is the columns, Ayala Avenue. The unit purchased in paragraph 2, Your Honor, is Unit 31B, 1 bedroom, Tower 1, 48 square meters, more or less, with 1 parking lot. And the purchase price, Your Honor, is 3,588,931 pesos and 82 centavos. Madam Witness, there appears a signature on the signing page of this contract to sell, particularly, Madam Witness, seller by Efren L. Tan, Neresa N. Josef, attorney in fact, and Christina R. Corona, purchaser. Madam Witness, I direct your attention to the signature above the printed name Neresa N. Josef. Do you know whose signature is that?
Yes, sir, that's my signature.
May I manifest, Your Honor, that this contract to sell had been previously marked during the pre-marking as Exhibit NNN, and its Exhibits A, B, and C as Exhibits NNN-1, NNN-2, and NNN-3.
What is the date of that document?
January 20, 2004, Your Honor.
Proceed.
At this point, may I request, Your Honor, counsel of the defense to manifest whether or not the photocopy is a faithful reproduction, Your Honor.
Is that document covered by a notarial registry?
Yes, Your Honor, it's a notarized document, Your Honor.
Yeah. Proceed.
I'm waiting for the stipulation, Your Honor, that it is a faithful reproduction.
Okay ba? Okay. Ha? Tama.
Inyo pong napapanood pa rin ang pagpatuloy ng ikasampung araw ng paglilitis ni Chief Justice Corona. Ito po ay mga dokumento na dala nitong si Neresa Josef, ang Assistant Vice President ng Ayala Land.
Documents being identified are faithful reproduction of the respective original.
Thank you, Justice. Madam Witness, may I direct you to Schedule C for Annex C of this contract to sell, which was marked for identification purposes as Exhibit NNN-3, entitled Purchase Price and Manner of Payment, Your Honor. For the record, Madam Witness, can you kindly read for the record how the purchase price of 3,588,931 pesos and 82 centavos be paid by the purchaser of this unit?
Based on Annex C, sir, there's an attached schedule of payment. The deposit of 25,000 was paid on January 29, 2003. Down payment of 543,181 pesos and 82 centavos, plus a value-added tax of 56,818 and 18 centavos. These were paid on March 28, 2003. And the monthly installment schedule of the first installment of 1,113,033 pesos and 18 centavos, and the value-added tax of 111,303 pesos and 32 centavos. Both were paid on April 28, 2003. Second installment of 1,728,270 pesos and 23 centavos, and value-added tax of 172,827 pesos and 2 centavos were paid on October 10, 2003. The final installment of 179,446 pesos and 59 centavos, and the value-added tax of 17,944 pesos and 66 centavos would have been paid upon advice.
Thank you, Madam Witness.
How many installments are those? Is that monthly, year, annually or annually?
It was varied, sir. The first installment was on April 28, 2003. The second installment was paid on October 10, 2003, Your Honor. And the final payment of the third installment was paid upon advice, which, based on our official receipts, were paid, if I may refer to the official receipt.
The installments are covered in 1 year?
Yes, sir.
All right.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
Proceed.
Madam Witness, you had so far testified that according to you, the deposit, the down payment, first, second installments were paid all in 1 year. And as you also said that the third installment, payable upon advice, was also paid according to you. What proof, if any, Madam Witness, do you have that all these installment payments were indeed paid by Mrs. Corona?
I have with me, sir, the original duplicate copy of the official receipts.
May I approach again the witness, Your Honor?
Proceed.
We would like to manifest, Your Honor, that the witness handed to this representation various receipts, Your Honor, which were previously marked during the pre-marking conducted by the Honorable Deputy Clerk of Court as exhibits 000 to 000-5 inclusive, Your Honor. And I am referring, Your Honor, to official receipt number 2093 dated January 29, 2003 in payment of the 25,000 issued to Corona Cristina R.
Who was the issuing entity?
Community Innovations, Inc., Your Honor.
Proceed.
Official receipt number 2813, which was previously marked as exhibit 000-1, dated March 28, 2003, issued to Renato Corona in the amount of 600,000 representing the deposit, Your Honor. Witness also handed to this representation, Your Honor, official receipt number 3109, previously marked as exhibit 000-2, dated April 28, 2003, issued to Corona Cristina / Renato in the amount of 1,224,336.50 centavos, Your Honor. Official receipt number 5197, previously marked as exhibit 000-3, dated October 20, 2003, issued to Cristina Corona in the total amount of 1,901,096 pesos and 75 centavos. And the official receipt number 5198, previously marked as exhibit 000-4, issued to Cristina Corona in the amount of 50 centavos, Your Honor. And lastly, exhibit 000-5, referring to official receipt number 7621, dated March 8, 2004, representing the full payment of the said condominium unit and one parking slot issued to Cristina Corona in the amount of 290,922.37 pesos, Your Honor, which includes, if I manifest to the record, the registration fee in the amount of 17,721.46, documentary stamp tax in the amount of 53,835 pesos, transfer tax in the amount of 17,974.66 pesos, as well as service fee and issuance of title in the amount of 4,000. As I have previously said, Your Honor, the photocopies of these were previously marked, and may I now request the Defense Counsel, Your Honor, to compare that the photocopies are faithful reproduction of the original.
I check na. Check na. If the purpose is substitution, Your Honor, we have no objection, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Madam Witness, you